This tutorial review will guide you how to get FPS unlocker in Roblox. Open your browser and search for Roblox FPS unlocker and you will get this GitHub link. So open the link, scroll down and here you have to download this first zip file. Once it's downloaded, open your file manager and open the download folder and unzip this. Open the folder and here you have to drag this and drop it into your desktop. And now we need to install this application, so double click on it and the Roblox FPS unlocker will be installed. Click on this and here you will see it's running. Now click on the show hidden icons and right click on Roblox FPS unlocker and here make sure to check the unlock Roblox player option and click on FPS cap, and from here you can select your desired FPS value. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.